Hi, I'm Allie. Most fleet managers are concerned about the same things: safer drivers, reduced downtime for vehicle repair, and lower accident rates and insurance premiums. And let's not forget about more accurate visibility into what happens when events do occur. Although it can be easy for fleet owners to see the benefits of video telematics, choosing the best option is challenging. For starters, video telematics technology can be costly and complex. And with options from so many sources, it can be hard to know which solution is best for your fleet. While driver-facing cameras may be helpful in identifying and correcting unsafe behaviors, they can also negatively impact driver recruitment and retention. If only there was a solution that provided clarity instead of complexity, peace of mind instead of problems, snap-on simplicity instead of setbacks. Introducing the KP2. Modular, flexible, and unique, the KP2 provides road-facing video with an optional driver-facing camera that can be added now or later with snap-on simplicity. Best of all, the KP2 offers powerful artificial intelligence with simple plug-and-play installation in a single, compact, windshield-mounted device. If a repair is needed, simply use its detachable bracket for easy removal and replacement, without the need to change anything from the initial installation. KP2's driver-facing option provides a unique combination of advanced driver assistance systems and driver state monitoring features, with real-time natural language alerts to protect and support your drivers. Optional ADAS warnings include tailgating warning, forward collision warning, and lane departure warning. Optional DSM alerts include driver fatigue and distraction. And the KP2 includes 4G LTE connectivity and built-in GPS for live location tracking and data transfer. The result? You gain visibility into your fleet and notification of events in real time. No two fleets are the same, so we put you in control. The KP2 offers this unique combination of features, functions, and flexibility, like no other video telematics solution out there. Ready to see what KP2 can do for you? Get in touch with us today.